Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm demonstrating how I make my Ayurvedic powder, starting with Moringa. We all know the benefits of Moringa in our natural hair. Moringa is an Ayurvedic herb, a wonder miracle plant. That's how I call it. So here are some of the benefits of Moringa. My top 3 benefits of Moringa powder for hair, for natural hair. It stimulates hair growth, aids in keratin formation, provides nutrients to hair follicles. Very important. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the end to see how I did all that. Please, if you find this video helpful, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell sign so that you could be notified each time I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So these are my freshly plucked Moringa leaves. I'll go ahead and sun dry them before grinding. So these are the dried Moringa leaves. So I'll go ahead and then blend them. This is how they look. Super crispy, probably dried. You can trust this winter season. It dried something within minutes. So it actually took me 2 days in drying them. As you can see, they are probably dried and ready to be blended. Like my hands can actually smash them into powder already. So you can tell that my blender will do a good job because I had already dried them under the sun. So this is what they look like after they must have been dried. So I'll proceed to blending them. Just make sure your blender is clean. So I'll go ahead and transfer about that amount and then start blending. Blend into a fine powder, a smooth powder like so. So I went on to transfer that into a clear bowl so that you guys can see that. That is what that powder looks like. So fine, so smooth, no granules at all, properly grinded. So that's what we have, guys. Look at how beautiful this is looking in my glass plate. So beautiful. I can't wait for my hair to suck up all that goodness embedded in Moringa. So guys, I'm sure you're going to watch this video. It's actually going to be coming in series so that you don't mix any of them. I'll go ahead and transfer the powder into an airtight container and then store in my shelf. Just get an airtight container. It must not be glass, it can be any container, but an airtight container. Transfer this goodness into it and then cover it properly. I'm going to be sharing a lot about Moringa in the nearest future, so ensure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of them. I'm going to be sharing how I incorporate that in my hair routine. Look at how cute that looks. So beautiful guys. So my next Ayurvedic herb is hibiscus. These are fresh hibiscus that are already dried. And then can you see how dry they look? I'm going to grind them. I'm so sorry I didn't show you the process, but I already demonstrated that when I was grinding the Moringa. So that's just same process. Follow same process to grind it into this fine powder. Also transfer it into an airtight container. There is no specific container for this, just get an airtight container. As you can see, I'm using rubber plate, but it's an airtight container to transfer this into it. So I'm going to be sharing some of the benefits of hibiscus powder in my description box. Please ensure you check out that. Look at how cute this is looking. These are the 3 powders I grinded. And they are actually 4, right? 4. I did show you the fenugreek. So this is how I label them and then store in my shelf so that I know which is which. This is actually the moringa powder we first blended and transferred into this jar. Yeah, that's me recording that. Moringa powder. So cute, so cute. So the next powder is guava powder. I had already shared that. I already said something about that in my previous video, how you can use guava leaves to stop shedding. Please ensure you check that out in my previous video. So guys, that's how I label my powders. So that's the hibiscus. I'm actually trying to label it. So guys, that is it for today's video. Please ensure you watch other of my videos and also turn on post notification and subscribe to find out how I'll be using all these powders in my hair routine. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.